Hot.
Yeah, it is hot out here. That's what I'm aiming at right over there.
Tap the barrel.
Oh, that's hot. Let me see.
So you want to shoot it?
Yeah, I do.
But you wanted me to... You know how to aim it, right?
Yep, you just aim it like that at the bottles.
You look through the circle, and you got to get the top of the middle thing in the very center of the circle, but it's easy because your eye naturally picks up on the light coming through the center of the circle.
Okay.
You should be able to hit the bottom from
It's
here,
ready
but
just
you
to
might
fire.
want to aim just a little bit high, not too high though.
Okay. It's taping.
Videos?
Yep.
Is it already going?
It's taping. So I hold it like this.
Yeah.
Do I hold this thing?
Just make sure you're aiming it right though.
Okay.
Put the stock against your shoulder. Hold on.
This.
You need it on fire, don't you? Take your finger off the trigger until you're going to shoot it.
Yep, it's off. Okay. Woo!
Alright, you're not even aiming at the thing, are you?
I'm trying to.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I'm a horrible shot.
Ooh, you got one. You knocked them both down.
Woo!
Aim for the top of the paper, like in the blank spot. Ooh, you hit the side of the box, it looks like.
Alright. Cool.
I wonder how many you got left. One more? Is it locked open?
I got one more left.
Yeah, you got one more left, you should.
Ooh.
Is it locked open now? No, you got more?
Oh, sweet. Yep, I'm good. Wow,
That's it
that
for
was
the rifle
incredible.
today. How do I stop this?
Say, look at that thing smoking.
How do I stop this?
Just press the top button.